So can people see if you viewed their profile on TikTok? And the answer to that question is, with the new rollout of the TikTok profile views feature, people that have it enabled can now see that you viewed their TikTok profile. And how this works is, if you update your TikTok app to the latest version, you'll notice that you have a little eye icon right at the top right of your TikTok profile. If you have actually enabled this feature, and if I click on it right now, this is going to show me all the people that have viewed my profile. Now, this isn't a very active profile, so there's only 3. But how this works is, because I have this feature enabled, I am able to see who viewed my TikTok profile, and it works the other way too. If I visit someone's profile and they have the feature turned on, then they will be able to see that I've viewed their profile as well. Some people like this new feature and some people hate it, but the way that it works is you have to have it enabled in order for other people to see that you viewed their profile. So if you don't want that, then you can click on the settings gear cog at the top right and simply just turn it off. Then people won't be able to see that you viewed their profile, but you won't actually be able to see that they viewed your profile as well. So I hope this explained it for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.